Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be flipping through this really cute Undated Succulents. I think it's called Sweet Succulents Classic Happy Planner. It's a vertical, so if you'd like to see that, keep watching. So the reason I purchased this planner was because I do a lot of spreads for my members on Patreon, and I needed an undated planner because sometimes they don't want them dated, and this was easier than covering up the dates. So that's why I got this one. But this one is a really good planner, and I'm so glad I got it. So it's a 12-month planner. It starts in January, and like I said, it's undated. The cover says grow where you are planted, and it has these succulents on it with this copper foiling. It's just super cute. And this is like, these are plastic, but they're like sort of copper colored. All right. So on the inside cover, we have a bunch of herbs, which is super cute, right? I think it's so cute. Then you get this little thing that says, welcome to the Happy Planner. This is a vertical layout. It explains the vertical layout. And then you're going to get these stickers, which is what you're going to put on your tabs to designate the months. And the good thing about that is if you want to switch up these dividers and like, you don't have to use these particular, in this particular order, you can switch them up if you want to, but that's like little copper foil clear stickers to just place on there. Okay, to plant a garden is to plant happiness. This happy planner belongs to, and you write your name in there. Oh my gosh, look at this divider right off the bat. Super cute. So this is what your currently page looks like. It's very basic, very plain. We've seen this before, but with the black at the top, I kind of like this like more subtle color instead. And you can switch it up to do and be whatever you want it to be. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. So cute. Okay. So this is your month. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is absolutely perfect. I love it so much. This is what I want in a planner. I know this isn't for everyone, but neutral for me is like amazing. So again, I love this font up here. It's really thin and just really classy looking. It's not, you know, too much. It's like just right. And I don't know why they had to make this peach to be absolutely perfect. For me to be a perfect planner would be bring this, this graph up and cover and just not have the note and just have it be graph paper or have it be plain, but it's okay. Cause so easy to put a sticker on that. It's not a big deal, but I'm just saying, I don't know why it's there all the time. So then we have on a couple of these pages, we're going to have like little quotes. This says, feed your soul. And then nothing here. And then this says, have a beautiful day. How sweet. Thank you, Happy Planner. But yeah, perfect because no color. Look, even the middle doesn't have color. I probably should have bought 2 of these because like I'm going to want these for myself once in a while too. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the dividers because all the currently pages look like this. So some vegetables here. Butterflies and bees are always welcome. And again, the copper foil. So anytime you have, I think you have foil in here, it's probably going to be copper. Although I guess we saw some gold back there. Then we have these flowers with the cute little pruning shears. Start each day with a grateful heart. Every day is a fresh start. And then we have the herbs. From little seeds grow mighty trees. Sunshine on my mind. Yeah, this is gold here. And then these little gold dots. So cute. And then these pretty pink flowers. Where flowers bloom, there is hope. And these are so pretty. They're like so fall-like. I love the color of this. And they made the tab like the same color, which I think is neat. Okay, and then in the back, it just says like plant a happy life. You get that little note page. And then this says plan a happy life. And you got those herbs again. And then this is what the back looks like. It's just very basic, very neutral, vertical, classic layout, and I love it so much. Let me know what you guys think. I will link this in the description box. So if you are planning to purchase, if you wouldn't mind using my link, I just get a very small percentage of the purchase and it doesn't cost you a dime. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.